Hi fellow greasy people, I'm Chuck, this is Up Chuck Chops, thanks for joining me. I've had several different mounts, camera mounts, action camera mounts, and the Amazon one I had on my old Biltwell Gringo, I still use when I wear that helmet. It's pretty good. But my new-ish, about a year old, Arai Regent X helmet, it does not fit because right here is too big for the Amazon mount. So I have seen where other creators have used chin mounts and they seem happy with them. So I bought one. My money, I'm not sponsored by chin mounts. If they want to, all right, I'll make a commercial for you. I'm gonna bring you in close here and we'll get to it. It's late. It's coming up on 10 p.m. But I want the time to pass because who knows, I might want to ride tomorrow. Realistically, by the directions, it would be 10 p.m. tomorrow night. I'm probably not that worried about every second of all 24. A quick check of the directions. It wants to check the fit. See this contour? Allegedly, these are made especially for your helmet. So it should sit just right like that. Step one done. I'm going to wipe it down and then let it dry. And I wish these had I guess they have this. I could adjust the angle a little bit, but I'm worried about getting it dead in the middle and square. It probably won't even show up in a video that it's a little off kilter or not in the middle of my chin. I want to give her a good scrub. I'm gonna give her a good scrub, get it nice and clean. Do the backside too. Wipe number 2 is the dry one. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Let the alcohol dry up. It is now dry. Peel back the red adhesive cover. I'm gonna assume we'd want chin mounts easily read, left to right, top to bottom, rather than, yeah, I think that profile there, it's gonna look better. All right, peel back the red adhesive cover, apply heat. So it is warm, not hot, for 5 to 10 seconds. Adhesive peeled. Heat gun on low. It is warm. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 that's hot. No, bad. 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Okay. Now I'm gonna line this, sorry about the shake. Line this up. I want to figure that screw is center. Eyeball says right about there. Right about there. Okay. If you don't have a heat gun hair dryer, let it sit for 72 hours. It says to hold it for 60 seconds. I haven't counted. I will just hold it forever until my hand hurts really bad. Sometimes it's possible for small gaps to appear in between the 3M adhesive and the helmet. This is caused by improper placement or not enough pressure applied while installing the chin mount. To solve this, we recommend heating up the area and applying pressure onto the chin mount again. Repeat until the gap goes away. Okay, so I'm putting kind of like Magilla Gorilla Grip on it. Okay. Almost no more gap. I want to push a little harder. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm putting it to it. I think, yeah, if that's not evidence of pressure. Okay. Now it's hurry up and wait for 24 hours. That looks pretty decent on my center line. Now, install your safety tether. But if the mount fails, if this is attached to my helmet and the mount fails that's holding this will still catch and hang and swing. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1004, 1005, 1000. Give me a little slack and go. Now we wait till morning. Excuse me, we wait till 10 p.m. tomorrow. That'll be the way to go. All right, it's nearly been 24 hours. I think these snap together like so. It seems a little snug. I guess it's better to be snug than loose. This flips up. I bet it will snap in a lot easier now. Okay, it's locked. Now I need to see how it fits. So I guess I'm gonna have to switch to my phone. Okay, so there you have it. My chin mount's installed. It's just in my line of vision so I can see the camera stat, but not where it's gonna be dangerous. It's like a heads-up display almost. That was a pretty easy install. I do like the safety tether here. I don't know what this hardware was for, but I'm gonna keep my extra bits in case I need to switch it up. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you spending time with me. Chin mounts seem to have really good reviews, but if you have experience with them, love them, hate them, otherwise, warnings, comment below. And as always, if you like this video, I hate doing this, but give her a thumbs up, give her a subscribe. I would really appreciate it. See ya.